Let's make something simple from Fallout 76. I want to make the Pipe is Life costume. It's pretty simple, straight and forward. What is Pipe is Life? Figure it out yourself. I want to get this done. It's way too hot right now. What you need: a white shirt that fits you, a bucket or a tub that has coffee or tea, paintbrush and black paint, along with a Sharpie. You can maybe just use the Sharpie, but I want to make a little fine details with the wording, Pipe is Life. Soak this with either tea or coffee. Just to be funny, I got a Folgers can and I put some coffee in there. There we go, boy. Oh yeah, it's looking stainy already. Best part is I love the smell of coffee. You know, I kind of like it how it has white spots on there. Like you didn't completely tint it with sweat and grime and soot and all that. Make sure it fully dries. If you want, I guess you could throw some dirt on it. So this is the back. I want it to be a little less dirty because on the back we're going to paint or draw Pipe is Life on the front. Looks dry enough. Let's put it in the wash. That's perfect. It's so stained. I put it in the wash very lightly. Just some detergent, just a little bit, and it's still stained. Perfect tint. Now we gotta put Pipe is Life. Get some cardboard. Put it through the shirt. Write Pipe is Life. Then we thinly paint it with some black. And here it is, your simple Pipe is Life costume. And it only costed me $3.12. Yes, this isn't the real one. Stop freaking out. I made it myself. Give me some credit. So, like, share, comment, subscribe. You know what to do. Thanks and all. See you later.